when Lucille asked me to, did I have something to contribute, I thought of Eriko right away because she samples a lot of natural sounds, and the vibe is very soft. And I make a lot of hip-hop music, and that's not always the vibe that I'm on. And but she inspired me to write a couple of songs. And the first one is called Chip Away, and it's a metaphor for a sculptor, and I'd be the sculptor, and I'd be working on a piece. And it's another way to see a relationship. You know, when you get in relationships, they say, you know, you can't change anybody. You know, people are going to say this, you know, if you find yourself trying to switch everybody up, you're in the wrong position. But I find that I do have to try to mold my spouse, but not change, just chip away a little bit and get her closer to how we're going to work together, kind of like a sculpture. And then one day, you know, maybe I will have created a masterpiece. So this song is called Chip Away. That's the start, and I'm a chip away on the marble of your soul. I'm a sculptor, you're my sculpture, you get a form, I want to mold. Chip away, every little thing I say, another step towards my goal, get closer to the day, you'll be mine, I'll have my way, and I'm patient, so I wait, till I get the smile I want, till I whip you in the shape, be my clay, this is fate, a creator must create, word of mama, love your armor, but I got to chip away, chip, divot, slip to the ground, bit by bit, I'm getting into this piece, so I continue to chip by chip, I'm chipping away at you, baby, bit by bit, you slowly becoming my lady, just like this, patience, discovering your true form, inch by inch, day by day, I chip away, stage by stage, you taking shape, no rush, I just chip away, chip away. I'm just gonna chip away till my message is relayed, till I'm finished in position, perfect picture is portrayed. I'm standing in admiration of the beauty I've made. So proud of my work, so proud of what you became, so into what you're becoming. You're turning up my flame, chip. Maybe I don't even finish this, but me and you, it's to these lyrics, like sex is to a kiss. But I spit at you gently, put my chisel to your chip. One day soon you're gonna slip and fall in love. Then you'll be another masterpiece, statuesque in your stance. Now you're reaching out to me, perfect pose, stand right there. Wow, I really am a beast. I done carved you out of stone, now your essence is released. Clean you up from your head down to your feet. I ain't tripping, I'll keep chipping till my mission is complete. Maybe never, I don't really mind, it gives me pleasure. Every measure that I take just makes the situation better. Every sentence, every letter, I'm chipping away at you, baby, bit by bit. You slowly becoming my lady just like this. You slowly becoming my lady just like this. Patience, discovering your true form, inch by inch, day by day, I chip away, stage by stage, you taking shape. No rush, I just chip away, chip away. I don't care how long it takes, I'm just gonna chip away. I don't care how long it takes, I'm just gonna chip away. I don't care how long it takes, I'm just gonna chip away. I don't care how long it takes, I'm just gonna chip away. Until you finish. is portrayed. And I'm standing in admiration of the beauty I have made. I'm so proud of my work, so proud of what you became. So into what you're becoming, you are turning up my flame. But still I never rush, the world will just have to wait. Until the day I reveal you, until then I chip away. Chip by chip, I'm chipping away at you, baby, bit by bit. You slowly becoming my name just like this. Patience, discovering your true form inch by inch. Day by day, I chip away. Stage by stage, you taking shit. No rush, I just chip away. Chip away, chip, chip, chip away. Chip by chip, I'm chipping away at you, baby, bit by bit. You slowly becoming my day just like this. Patience.